Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy vinegar dressing. First, let's gather our basic ingredients. You'll need a good quality oil, like extra virgin olive oil, and your favorite vinegar, perhaps apple cider or red wine. These two components form the foundation of any great vinaigrette. We'll also add some simple seasonings to bring out the best flavors. Get ready to create a versatile dressing in just a few minutes. Now, let's talk about the perfect balance. A classic starting point is a ratio of 1 part vinegar to 3 parts oil. For example, if you use 1/4 cup of vinegar, you'd use 3/4 cup of oil. This ratio provides a harmonious blend of tang and richness. However, feel free to adjust it to your liking. If you prefer a tangier dressing, add a little less oil, or for a milder taste, increase the oil slightly. Experiment to find your ideal balance. To truly elevate your dressing, consider adding some flavor enhancers. A pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper are essential. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard not only adds a zesty kick, but also helps to emulsify the dressing. Fresh herbs, such as finely chopped parsley, dill, or chives, can introduce wonderful aromas and tastes. For a touch of sweetness to balance the acidity, a half teaspoon of honey or maple syrup works beautifully. These additions make a big difference. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Combine all your ingredients in a bowl or a jar and whisk them vigorously until they are well combined and slightly thickened. This process is called emulsification. If using a jar, simply shake it well. Once mixed, taste and adjust any seasonings as needed. Store your freshly made dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 1 week, ready for your next salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.